Hey guys, it's Rob from Rob Finds Treasure. And first of all, I want to thank Fine Coin Collecting, who commented on my $50 video that if you just put hand sanitizer on the NIFCs that had the purple sharpie, that the sharpie should just come right off. I decided to test his theory and put it on that 2002 that I had, and it came right off. So I wanted to go ahead and show you live what happens when you put a little hand sanitizer where you have Sharpie. Look at this. Look at that. Unbelievable. Wow. So that's one of the reasons why I absolutely love the coin collecting community. There's so many little tricks and there's so many willing to help collectors out there that help the community. I have never known to try that. Look how simple that worked, how easy it was. Didn't destroy the coin. I tried soap and water and I didn't want to scratch the coin any worse, and I gave up. And all it took was a little hand sanitizer, and these things look fantastic again. Fine Coin Collecting, thank you for your comment, and thank you for helping the community, and most namely, thank you for helping me. I made this video because I wanted to share this little trick with everyone, since this trick was shared with me. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up, and as always, thanks for watching.